All right, welcome in. In the last video, we talked about how to plot points. I'm going to clean this up a little bit. So now we can focus on question 8, 9, and 10. And we can, what's it called? Oh, I don't know, learn how to plot not only points, but graphs, graph lines, okay? So I'm just going to remind my brain that this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. Because the first equation that we are graphing is x equals -3. What does that mean? That means it's pretty boring. X is always -3. So let's imagine a table. And in that table, x is always -3, like almost to the point of boredom. Now, as for y can be a little bit more creative. And I'm going to say, okay, think of a number for y that's between -10 and +10. Oh, did you say maybe -4? Or if we said, what if you didn't say -4, maybe you were thinking like 0, or maybe you were thinking like 8. If we go and plot those three coordinates, here's what it's going to look like. We would walk -3, and we would climb down -4. We would walk -3 and climb 0. And then we would walk -3 and climb 8. And all the way up here, these three green points would connect a straight line where we would say, oh my gosh, x is so boring, it's equal to -3, so it's always equal to -3. Now, as for our number 9 equation, y is equal to 8. It's pretty much equally boring. What we're saying is, on a table, y is 8, y is 8, y is 8, y is 8, and x could be any creative number you want to think of. For example, it could be -2, you might say, or +10, or, oh, I don't know, -1/2 if you're feeling adventurous, okay? So if we go plot those points, if we say, oh, I'm going to walk -2 and then climb up to 8, or if I'm going to walk -1/2 and then climb up to 8, and then I'm going to walk +10 and then climb up to 8, oh my gosh, every y value is 8. So those are those two equations. As for our final one, y is equal to x, it looks scary, but it's not. Let's not let it scare us. It's saying, hey, y, you are equal to x. Well, if we're making a table of x and y and you're feeling better about making tables, well, we're saying y is equal to x, we're saying x is equal to y. Backwards, forwards, forwards, backwards. So you could come up with a number for x. Oh, I don't know, like 3. And guess what y is? It's also 3. What if you said, no, I want x to be -5? Well, y is like, I got to be -5. And what if you said, oh, x, you need to be -1? Well, y is like, well, dang it, I'm also -1, okay? Let's plot those 3 points. So we walk 3 and climb 3. Oh, so we're walking and climbing the same distance. If we walk -5 and climb down -5, or if we walk -1 and climb down -1, we are going to get a blue line that looks like that, and it has a slope of 1, in case you cared about slope, which is in the next video. We'll see you there.